Let's go, bro.
What's up, everyone? We're here in Murder Duos with my best friend, Big Man Flames.
It's uh
So we're gonna I think we're gonna 1v1 or 2v2.
2v2.
Okay.
If we counter ano, if we counter a
No,
like
no,
that, no, they're weak.
What?
Yeah, they're weak. But one of them are computer. Computers are
Very sweats.
yeah, they are bro.
You don't know what is my load.
Bro, I'm a scooper. No.
No.
Bro.
Lock in. Video chat.
Bro, ang lagging. Bro, ang lagging. Oh, yeah. Bro, I kill one. Huh? Oh.
Wait lang, can you see my cat?
Oh. Ay, boy. Oh. Bro, it's too laggy, bro. It's too laggy. Bro, I'm lagging. Bro, you know that. Oh, good. Oh, bro. Bro, my immortalness is wearing off. Bro, I get for this. Bro, get for this. Oh yeah, sheesh. Bro, I'm lagging so bad that I can post a video. Nah, bro. If they're watching this video, they will laugh. They will laugh. Bro. Kick them ass, nigga. Bro, scoop. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go.
I'm gonna lock
There goes. Bro. Oh. Hurry. There. Scoop. Go. Oh, bet. Yeah, just the phone. The phone did not connect. You tripping? Nah, you tripping. Ah. Sorry. We have to win. Bro, we have to win. I'm picking the boom. No. Bro, I see the balls. Let's go, nigga. No, because I'm black. What, bro? My game is hacked. Bro, my game is glitch. Look at this.
No.
Bro, my game is glitch. You're glitch.
No.
Now we're glitch out.
No, I see the books. I can't buy anything.
Look, my gens are ano, are weak.
What should I buy? Expensive knife.
You know? Oh wait. Rapid reload. If you rapid reload, it will make your reload faster.
But I don't have enough money, so I think it's gonna.
Like, bro, I'm broke. Actually, I get Inferno and Hacker and a Noob and an America USA and Smooch and Epic Face and Sky and a default. Tapos my guns are Heartbreaker, the Smooch again, and a Caramel USA, Watermelon, and a Como. Another
Common?
yeah, no,
Uncommon.
it's uncommon, but bro, the Rusty Bucket.
Dude,
All
I have
metal.
all the regulars.
Smooch, soft looks dark intense. Wait. Leaves it burn.
No way, bro.
Yeah, never.
Megalodon bundle, AA.
Bro, I need to get the Inferno. What's this?
I'm
Oh,
gonna,
bro, the trading pass.
dude, I'm in the this guy. I'm in the what we call it?
Didn't the trade?
The training. I'm going to set my USB. It's like a bomb.
Yeah.
Everything is everybody. Everything is.
Bro, didn't you see my knife, bro? Look at my knife. Okay, if he stops.
Keeper, I look at my back. Do you see my yacht?
Where? No.
You pervert.
Bro.
So that's it, guys, since I am a YouTuber and I can go past 15 minutes. So,
We're gonna play.
yes. So,
Bye guys.
you? I'm ending, bro. Dude,
I'm still recording your
why?
body. Yo. You rip out, nigga. After this, I will use about you.
I'm gonna put.
After I kill him. After I kill him.
I'm gonna put this video first.
Get me a kill. Guys, please for this. Thank you guys for watching this video.